Who's destroying these planets?
To pronounce it correctly, you'd have to drink corn for 9 days straight.
Drink corn? In America, we eat corn.
Not that kind of dunkuff. Let's just call him Geothermal Schembanditen.
Geo
Ach, den meine Güte. Just call him lava looters.
Lava looters? How are you gonna stuff lava in a bag?
And you can't tune a kazoo to play like a violin. They're after our geothermal energy.
Don't look now, Doctor, but I think they're after us.
Look out!
Geothermal energy provides a reliable and renewable power source utilizing Earth's heat to drive turbines or provide direct heating. Its consistent energy output and low emissions make it an attractive alternative to wind and solar. However, scaling geothermal production presents challenges, as tapping into deep geothermal reservoirs demands significant investment in drilling, specialized equipment, and site-specific infrastructure. Coming up, I'll share with you one company's innovation to bring geothermal energy to every household, without killing any planets. But first, it's time to check out our premier product highlight, sponsored by Mouser Electronics. The Banner Engineering SureCross wireless system is a robust radio frequency network designed to replace traditional wiring in industrial environments. It features a gateway as the master device and one or more nodes to form reliable wireless networks. Supporting one-wire serial interfaces, it offers selectable transmit power levels and user-friendly dip switch configuration. With FHSS and TDMA architecture, it ensures reliable bidirectional communication and ISM bands with automatic detection of lost RF links and configurable fail-safe outputs. Check out the Banner Engineering SureCross wireless system by heading over to Mouser.com today or by clicking the link in the description below. It speaks English.
Yeah, that's the AI. Alien intelligence.
Silence! You will fly me to your geothermal at once!
Nine!
Doctor, no!
It is too late for him. Don't be a hero.
In today's automation world, your equipment has to be able to talk together with each other. The idea of industrial networking is not something that's optional anymore. We have to consider that in nearly every project we design. For that, we turn to PLC communication modules. Now, sometimes these communication modules are built right into the central processing unit, the CPU, like this one. On this processor, I can see RS-485, RS-232, both of which are standards that have been around for a long time, used in all kinds of industrial equipment. And I also see Ethernet. These are really common communication protocols, and like I said, they're contained right on the CPU. We don't need additional modules. But sometimes, our system is so large and it contains so much legacy equipment that we can't stuff all the communication ports right onto the CPU. So we have to use a modular setup instead. Sometimes these modules can contain a couple of standards. This one uses both RS-232 and RS-485, providing a gateway to your network, both networks, from one removable module. It doesn't take up space on the CPU. Other times, we're going to rely on Ethernet. Now, Ethernet is a very common protocol so that it can be used not only to connect your industrial equipment, but any other equipment that you have on the shop floor. There's a good chance that if it's produced recently, it's got an Ethernet port. There are other variations too. There's Profinet, EtherCAT, and other variations of the industrial Ethernet field bus, and we have to be able to choose the modular setup or buy the PLC that has the communication setup already embedded into it that will allow us to network an entire facility. Sometimes we choose to design the facility all around one kind of communication, but not everybody has that luxury. We have to be able to connect all of our existing equipment and any new and future equipment to our setup. So being able to rely on modules is really important, not just for the look back at the legacy stuff, but the look ahead to the future. How are we going to be able to expand our setup in the future? And for any type of networking, we can hope that there are going to be existing supported communication modules for PLCs that will allow us to tap into any network that we're going to encounter in the future. Andy, back to you.
I will fly you to Earth. Rather than destroy civilizations, wouldn't it be cool if you could geothermal your house from your own backyard? Well, Borobotics, a Swiss startup, is on a mission to do just that. They have developed Grabowski, a compact, autonomous geothermal drilling robot. Measuring 13.5 centimeters wide and 2.8 meters long, it can drill in small places like gardens or basements, making geothermal heating accessible. The way it works is really cool. Grabowski is equipped with sensors in its head that identify the type of material being drilled. If it encounters a water spring or gas reservoir, the robot automatically seals the borehole to prevent leaks. And unlike traditional diesel power drills, this innovative machine operates simply by plugging it into a standard electrical outlet. Though designed for a maximum depth of 500 meters and a slower pace, Grabowski is perfectly suited for geothermal heat pumps, enabling efficient and sustainable heating and cooling by harnessing subterranean heat. It would be incredible to disconnect from the utility company and have my own self-sustaining heating and cooling system. You know, I wonder if these aliens are goons for the utility companies. Let's tune in and find out.
Activate the cooking tractor planet splitter. I said the planet splitter, not unravel.
Whoa, the Earth really is flat.
No, it's not. Those people are idiots. Roll it back up. Now, activate the planet splitter.
What have I done?